Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So let's get you your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of September. This is for my dear Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Capricorn as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Capricorn, let's get you your angel number. Might be this is the angel number that you had been seeing recently as a certain confirmation of this reading. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Capricorn. So we have 3, 3, 1, and 7. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 3317. Might be there is a certain message for you there, my dear Capricorn, that needs your particular attention. You might be seeing a lot of 33, 333, 17, 17, 17, 11, 111, 11, 11, 77, and 77. And also I'm channeling, we have also 12, 12. 12, 12. So, might be seeing a lot of 22, 222 as a certain confirmation of this particular reading. And I'm channeling also with the number 17 because based in the tarot card, the number 17 in the tarot card is the star card. So, might be you are needing to heal certain things, particularly if you have certain traumas or issues and you had experience from the past, and might be this is the time for you to heal them, or it's time for you to address them. So might be for others of you, you are healing physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So for this particular month of September. So my dear Capricorn, we have here the energy of the Virgo. We're in this will be the general energies of your month of September. I already pulled the cards earlier for this next succeeding readings for the remaining 6 zodiac sign na hindi ko pa na-fulfill. So, for this particular month of September, my dear Capricorn, it's focusing on the Virgo energy, wherein the energy around you is dutiful, hesitant, and humble with a discriminating, diligent, and painstaking air. So, might be you had been trying to focus on working out certain things na might be you are too overwhelmed kasi you are a hardworking individual. So, you are a Capricorn, and also with the energy of Virgo, this is an earth sign as well. So, more on focusing ka sa practical side or the 3D side na kung saan you had been working too hard, trying to do all of the things all at once. So, gusto mo mangyari ang mga bagay-bagay. You want to do this, you wanted to do that. To the extent na you are getting overwhelmed sa gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, my dear Capricorn. So, this is the time for you to focus on what you needed to do as of the moment, not doing all things all at once. Kasi the more that you wanted to do this, to do that, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied pag hindi nangyari yung particular outcome based on what you're anticipating in everything that you are doing. Focus on one thing that you needed the most na pagtuunan ng pansin, then the rest is to follow. Kasi the more na gusto mong akupahan lahat, you wanted to do everything all at once, the more na lalo ka may stuck at ma-delayed or magiging unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So I know you are a hardworking individual, but you need to be organized. Kasi with the Virgo energy, this is telling you to be organized. Have a certain system. Have a certain goal. Step by step. Magkaroon ka ng certain hierarchy ng ano man yung dapat mong unahin or dapat mong gawin. Kasi nga, you wanted all things to be done right away to the extent na ikaw yung nauubos, you are getting consumed, getting drained. And dahil you are getting consumed and getting drained, you are expecting certain things. You have a certain expectation on certain things na gusto mong mangyari with that particular situation that you are working on. And that is the reason why you end up unfulfilled, unsatisfied, and also we have the energy of the Seven of Swords here as your obstacle. So dahil doon, nagiging disappointed ka, nadidisappoint ka, you feel betrayed, you feel, kumbaga parang deceived kasi you had work in a certain situation and it's not fairly compensated, it's not fairly recognized or appreciated. So that is the energy. So dahil dyan, it's time for you to be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. So what is needing for you to do currently as of the moment, kasi nga you have those certain expectations in a certain situation na nagput ka ng effort and you are expecting a particular reciprocation from that. So the more that you're expecting a reciprocation from a certain thing that you're working on, my dear Capricorn, the more that you'll end up getting betrayed, getting deceived, getting unfulfilled and unsatisfied because of that. And it's telling you na for the meantime, this is time for you to be open, ready for whatever is going to happen. Let things fall into place, my dear Capricorn. So this is telling you also to be patient and trust the process. Stop wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. And that is the obstacle that you needed to overcome this particular month of September kasi you felt betrayed, you felt deceived, you felt unfulfilled, unsatisfied with certain things that is currently happening when it comes to your career, your finances, and your love life. Kasi nga, you had put in the work, you had, kumbaga parang put your energy, time, and effort in certain things and you are not seeing a growth or a movement, a reciprocation. So remember, my dear Capricorn, the important thing is not the outcome, not the future or the outcome of your career, your finances, and your love life. What is important is the process or the journey on how to get there. So instead of focusing on things that you cannot control, which is the outcome, the future, the relationship, the decisions and actions of people around you, it's time for you to focus on you. Focus on your decisions and your actions. Kasi that is the only thing that you can control. Wherein, what is needing to be done for you for the month of September, what you needed to do is it's time for you to nurture yourself. Give yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect that you deserve. So before you offer your cup, offer your services, offer your love, your energy, time, effort to everyone else, my dear Capricorn, it's time for you to give it to yourself first. So love yourself, value yourself, and respect yourself. Kasi how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So, daming downloads for you, my dear Capricorn. Anyway, so let's try to channel the energies of your career. What is your current energies for your career, your finances, your business life, your work life? What is the current energy for my dear Capricorn, please? What is the current energy? So currently, you are hot and cold. One foot in, one foot out. You are not totally all in, not totally fully committed in a certain situation. Kasi nga, might be out of fear, out of that certain belief that you are not worthy, that you are not capable enough, and you are not worthy. Kaya you are not fully all into the certain opportunity or certain project kasi you are in doubt of your own capabilities, your talent, and your skills. So my dear Capricorn, ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala at magtiwala sa sarili mo. You need to be the first one to like, love, accept, and believe in the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. So the reason why you are hot and cold towards a certain situation, career man yan, financial situation man yan, or yung project that you are working on, kasi you are not fully, kumbaga, confident with yourself. Hindi ikaw yung kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. You are having second thoughts. You are second-guessing yourself, my dear Capricorn. What is needed for you? What is the action needed for you or the outcome for your career, your finances, your work life, your business? Angel Spirit. So, it's time for you to transcend this certain obstacles or challenges. It's one of the certain things that you needed to overcome. There is no skipping to the good part. Hindi mo pwedeng lagpasan kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo. What you are currently experiencing, my dear Capricorn, is meant for you to experience. There is no skipping to the good part. As I've said, the important thing is the process, the journey on how to get to the outcome. So whatever you are encountering, my dear Capricorn, when it comes to your career, your finances, your business, your work life, it's meant for you to experience, for you to overcome it, and for you to learn the lesson that is provided by those certain circumstances. Might be you are wanting to travel, you are planning to travel, crossing seas, so probably for work purposes. So maaring take note of that. So before you travel, if you're planning to travel, you had to be all in, committed to a certain project. Kailangan mo munang pagtuunan ng pansin yung kailangan mong ayusin when it comes to your career, your finances, and your projects. When it comes to your relationship, when we say relationship, so it regardless if you're single, if you're in a certain connection, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband or wife, twin flame soulmate, it doesn't matter kasi yung unang relationship, the first relationship that you have is with yourself. So whatever type of treatment that you are treating yourself is how you are going to receive it from other people around you, especially for your love connection. So what is the current energy of your love life? So in hermit mode, so this is the time for others of you, you are soul searching, you are finding the answers within you. So it's time for you to go within. It's time for you to contemplate on what kind of future that you want for yourself and for a particular partner or situation in your life. Kasi you are the creator of your reality, my dear Capricorn. So it's time for you to visualize, imagine what is the kind of relationship that you want to manifest into your reality for those who are single and for those who are in a certain connection. Ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari when it comes to your relationship? Do you see this person that you are with, for those who are in connection, that this person is the one that you'll end up getting married with? Siya ba yung nag-iintay sa'yo sa altar? Is this person the one waiting for you at the altar? The person that you'll have kids? The person that you'll have a home or a house? The person that you'll have car or different achievements in life? If you see that person in your mind, for those who are in a certain connection, if you imagine this person, that this person is part of your life, even when you grow old, ibig sabihin that person is part of your future. But the thing here is, how will you be able to achieve that certain outcome? By loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself, knowing your worth, knowing your value. So it's time for you to get to know yourself this particular month of September, my dear Capricorn, kasi you had been knowing everyone else, you know everything about other people, pero the question here, my dear Capricorn, do you know about yourself? Alam mo ba yung klase ng relationship that you wanted to have, to manifest into your reality? What kind of partner do you want to end up with? So it's time for you to soul search. It's time for you to look within you. What kind of partner, what kind of relationship do you want to manifest into your reality? Kasi we are the creator of our reality. It's time for you to set the intentions and the goals on what kind of relationship or partner do you want to have in the near future. What is the outcome for your relationship or your love life? What will be the outcome or the action for you? So, it's time for you with the Six of Cups. It's time for you to make peace with the past. So, for you to fully move forward in life, my dear Capricorn, when it comes to your relationship or life in general, you need to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. If you're blaming yourself sa kung ano man yung nangyari when it comes to your love life or relationships in general. And if forgiveness cannot be given to the person, to the people around you, or the certain situation that caused you pain, my dear Capricorn, the only thing that you can do from the past is accept that it cannot be changed. Hindi mo na mababago yon. You have the freedom to change your future. You are not determination of your past. Kung ano man yung past mo, it doesn't mean that will be also your future. You have your own free will on that. So what you needed to do from the past is take the insight, take the learning, and apply the necessary changes in the now so that it will not be affecting the possible future. Something about your inner child. As I've said, with the number 17, I'm seeing the card of the star of the tarot card. So meaning to say, it's time for you to heal from those certain issues or trauma that is influencing how you handle your relationship or life in general. So what are traumas and issues? So if you're not familiar of that, traumas and issues are if you came from a broken family, separated parents, you came from a dysfunctional family, you grew up with your lolos or your lola, your grandparents, you grew up with relatives, you grew up being alone in the orphanage, etc. You don't know who your family is. You came from a toxic and abusive relationship. Those certain experiences influence how we show up in our lives, particularly with relationship with other people. It reflects. So it's time for you to address what are the certain traumas or issues na kailangan mong i-heal from, my dear Capricorn, kasi it's affecting or influencing how you are showing up in life in general. So, let's see what is the oracle guidance for you, my dear Capricorn. Oracle guidance, angel, spirit, universe, ancestors, kindly give me the oracle guidance for my dear Capricorn. So, wow. As I've said, forgiveness. So, my dear Capricorn, might be you have a father wound. Father wound. For some of you, maaring it's either your father wasn't emotionally mature. They tend to be flirty. I'm channeling on that. You tend to be flirty. You might be flirtatious with women. So, you don't have that, your father figure doesn't have that certain emotional maturity due to their certain past as well. So, for others of you, this is the time for you to forgive. Again, the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. Kung sinisisi mo yung sarili mo, if you're blaming yourself for what you are currently are experiencing, my dear Capricorn. So, let's get another one. And also with the statement here, you are on the path of light, love, and forgiveness. Father healing is possible at this time. It's possible for you to be able to heal from that certain father wounds. Pero for you to be able to heal from that, you had to address kung ano man yung issue na yun. Okay? So we have here Kuan Yin, care and compassion. Choose to be loved. Do what is right for everyone involved. Offer a helping hand. Before you help other people, before you fix people, situation, other than doing that, it's time for you to fix yourself first. Help yourself. Kasi kung ikaw mismo, hindi mo matulungan yung sarili mo, how can other people help you out? So before you offer your help to other people, helping them heal, nurturing them, taking care of them, loving them, respecting them, before you do that, it's time for you to do it to yourself first. Give to yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect that you deserve. Kasi how you are treating yourself again is how you will be receiving it from others, not the other way around. Okay, so let's see what is the messages from your spirit guides, angel, spirit, universe, ancestors. What is the messages? Okay, so we have here Gorilla. Take the time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially your family members. So other than your family members, it's time for you to listen to your intuition. It's time for you to listen to your higher selves. Sometimes, universe or your spirit guides, your angels, is communicating to you through angel numbers. It's time for you to pay attention to the messages that the universe is telling you. Other than listening to other people around you, it's time for you to listen to yourself first. Okay? How will you be able to listen to yourself, to your higher self? Find time to step back, to reassess the situation. Kasi hanggat you are too head-on to the certain problem, it's already the problem. Your clouded will be judgment. So, kailangan mo muna mag-step back for you to see the bigger picture. So, we have your unicorn. Indulge your creativity, imaginative, and magical side through the form of artistic expression. So, other than trying to focus your attention to other things, it's time for you to cultivate that certain passion or energy by turning it into something productive like creative expression. If you are into dancing, singing, drawing, or practice a certain skill that you are passionate about, dun mo i-divert yung energy mo other than wasting your time and energy in nonsense such as drinking, partying, smoking, vices, etc. Okay, so let's see what is your angel messages. my dear Capricorn. Angel messages for my dear Capricorn. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel messages. Wow. We have here 111. So, angels are ready to fully support you in this endeavor so that you can co-create with the universe a life you love. I am creative. So, this is another confirmation that it's time for you to focus on things that you can be productive of or something that you are creative of, such as dancing, singing, sports, or anything na yun yung passion mo. That is what you are passionate about. Channel your energy there other than wasting your time scrolling, watching porn, etc., etc. So, it's time for you to channel your energies to a more positive and productive one. Okay, so let's see your affirmation, my dear Capricorn. So, we have here, I am receiving abundantly and sharing generously. So, know that you are abundant. The love that you are looking for is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. And the happiness that you are seeking is also found within you by the way that you will be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. And your first soulmate is you. So, before you share your love, care, value, respect to other people, so, it's time for you to nurture yourself first at kung ano man yung excess, what is the overflow of the love, care, value, respect that you have for yourself, that is the only one that you will be giving to others. Not giving all of your time, love, and energy to everyone else except you. So, this is the time for you to put yourself first, then kung ano man yung sobra, the excess, the overflow, that is the only thing that you will be giving to others. So, this is what I got for you, my dear Capricorn. If this happened to resonate with your situation, don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to avail my services, tarot reading and oracle card reading, kindly go to the description section. I got there the instruction on how to avail my services and join my coaching program, Heartful Connection. You may go also to my website, www.anasantiago.coach for more of the details. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye!